Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to share your real-time location in Google Maps. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Map. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Google Map. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top right here. So click on that and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on location sharing. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on share location. So it's going to take you right here. Now share your real-time location for 1 hour until you turn off this. So you can simply click on this plus sign right here. If you want to increase the hours that at which you want to use to share your location, click on plus sign right here. It will increase it. So which simply means that so the person I'm sharing my location with, we have access to my location in the next 5 hours, which is going to last as at 3-5 p.m. Nigerian time. This is depends on your country and your location. And you can simply come down below right here. You can share your location to people in your Facebook chat, in your WeChat, on Telegram, on Chrome. You can swipe and see more ways by which you can use to share your location with people. And more so, you can also swipe this way and share your location to people by contact or at the like. So it's as simple as that. You can also turn this off until you have turned. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply share your real-time location in Google Maps. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.